So papunta kami, ano kami doon sa tunnel, guys. Ayan na yung tunnel. Ito yung tunnel. Is this a tunnel of Pittsburgh?
Yes.
Pittsburgh na pala kami, guys. Pittsburgh. Hi sa mga taga Pittsburgh dyan. Wow! So this is the Pittsburgh. Wow! Wow! Paglabas ng paglabas mo, guys, ito yung makikita mo. Oh my goodness! Ang cute naman yung paglabas ng tunnel. Ito kaagad ang makikita mo. Welcome, Pittsburgh! Wow!
Point. Three rivers come together.
Wow! So, ito pala, Three River. Salubong pala yung Three River dito, guys. Wow! Ang gandang Pittsburgh!
It's also called the City of Bridges.
Ang Pittsburgh daw ay sa the City of Bridges. Wow! Ang ganda! Whoa! Look at that!